Welcome back to DJ channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between the Scrum board and Kanban board. In Scrum, the work items are stories selected from the product backlog to the sprint backlog during the sprint planning based on the team's velocity or capacity. Once the sprint is started, the new work items will be added only if the sprint goal is not affected by adding the new stories or items and the team has the capacity. The uncompleted work items or stories are moved to the product backlog during the sprint review for the reprioritization. The sprint backlog can be visualized in a simple three columns: to do, ongoing, done, as shown here. If you see here, the work items in the Scrum board is selected upfront by the sprint planning, and there is a no restrictions are put in place in the ongoing. The restriction meaning here is there is no WIP limit set in the ongoing items, and the to do ongoing list are not flexible because the items selected in the to do cannot be moved to the product backlog during the sprint execution. Similarly, the items in the ongoing will not be moved to the to do columns during the sprint execution. Coming back to the Kanban board, the work items are not selected upfront. It's a flow based. The item in the queues are based on the priority. The highest priority will be appear in the top, and there will be a WIP limit set in the ongoing columns. WIP limit is very important in addition to the visualization in Kanban to implement the pull system. And the to do column and the ongoing column are flexible. For example, at any point of time, the work item in the ongoing can be swapped with the to do columns. Similarly, at any point of time, the to do column item can be swapped with the ongoing. Similarly, any items in the to do columns will be swapped with the Kanban backlog, and any item in the Kanban backlog will be swapped with the to do columns. I hope you now understand the difference between the Scrum board and the Kanban board. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comments and thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in another interesting video soon. Thank you. Bye.